in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey man, filming car vlog, you know? Girls downstairs playing video games with friends. I'm the dummy that talks to his friends on camera, so what's up, boys? Thumbs up, comment down below. Today, we're looking at the cheapest, one of the cheapest that I've seen personally. $27, free shipping. It's pretty cheap. Bust down watches on Amazon. Now, boys, I thought we were done with the Amazon buys. However, I guess an ad, and I actually saw this ad too. I'll post it right here. It was going everywhere on Instagram the other day, boys. And when that happens, I always get comments from you guys, messages too, being like, Bran, you gotta check this out. The thing that kills me, bro, is like, most people that told me to check it out, they're like, this seems too good to be true, man. Like, it looks really good for that price tag. And I hit them up being like, yeah, bro, it is too good to be true. It's like, probably sucks. But y'all come back being like, buy it anyway. So I'm glad that you guys think that my money is nothing. And I'm the test trial dummy. Crash test? Watch test dummy? I don't know. Anyway, I'll be the hairy beaver for you guys, the vag, if you will, that will test for you and let you know if it's good or not. You know, $27, not too much to expect. Who the f was about to tell me that my shirt's inside out, bro? We got all our girlfriends downstairs and some of them are looking kind of fine. And I greeted them at the door with an inside shirt. What the f? They really got it out for me, bro. There's a tag on the back and everything. They saw that for sure. Anyway, boys, thumbs up, comment down below. We're Shadow BAN right now. It would help a lot if you brought that up with comments and thumbs up. I don't know if it'll help, but it might. More jewelry reviews if you want to. Don't care. Anyway, let's get into it. Here it is, boys. Right in the package. Now, first thing right now, 27 bucks. I'll have the link down below if you want. Probably not, but if you want. I just think it's going to be bad and you shouldn't buy it, but we'll see. Now, yes! Woo! Okay, sick. Okay, and here it is, boys. Nice red box. From Charles Raymond. Kind of sounds like a douche, if you ask me. I'm not gonna lie. Made in China. Okay, I guess we're just getting into it, boys. It's gonna be quick, because, once again, there's too many girls in the basement right now for me to be in the car. I gotta edit this up quick and, you know, just go ask them if they want, like, food and drinks and stuff, like, while they play their video games. And, you know, as I walk upstairs, they'll be like, oh my god, your boy's so nice. How do you get one like that? But I'm hearing, like, at the top of the stairs, them all talking nice about me. It's all strategy, really. Anyway, Charles Raymond, I think at the end of this, I might tell you to go F yourself, because I don't think this is gonna be that good. 27 bucks we're gonna see, boys. First off, we got a nice little cover here. This is good. They care. They are fake diamonds won't get f***ed in the mail. Oh, they come with earrings, bro. Okay, this is sick. Stainless steel. Oh, dude, I hope y'all didn't see that. That just shot down to here. I might have to block that. My bad, I gotta blow my nose. Ah, dang, unfortunately, I might just send this out. I might just send out this watch and these with you guys. I can't have stainless steel in my ears. I have to have silver. I'm like allergic to it or something like that. It's really weird. Nice little earrings though for PK. Holy shoot, boys. Now, quality said, would I recommend wearing this over the age of 12? Probably not. I mean, wear whatever you want. We're all into, you know, just doing you, bro. This is a nice little squishy pillow. I like it. I'll rest my wiener on it later. Okay, so it actually, bro, 27 bucks. It's light as all hell, man. I don't know why. I'm just doing this for you guys, boys. It's light. There's a review. The red on the inside, super sick, actually. This actually might even be fit to wear. From here, bro, it's not bad. You go in detail, though, and you see the separate little gemstones not set in. It looks like crap. You know, like I say, boys, you're a young kid or something like that. You want to flex, me, don't wear it around town because, you know, somebody might jump you. They might see you from afar. They might jump your ass, and now you're down to watch an eyeball. 12 years old, I don't know if you can take a punch that's not going to knock out your eye, you know? We're getting off track, so I'm just saying random things so we could drag out this review because there's really not much to say. The diamonds on the front of it are actually set, which is kind of sick, actually. That looks nice. It's this part where they F up, bro. Oh, and then they got lazy! Sorry, I shouldn't be yelling. So that kind of pisses me off, actually, bro. They just get lazy with it and stop the diamonds there. They're like, let's just stud it out a little bit. Let's fake it out. So in photos, it looks like diamonds. You see it up and real close and you look like an ass. Needless to say, they've got diamonds 1 inch up and 1/2 inch up here or whatever the hell. That is what it is, boys. You know what you're gonna get for 27 bucks. I'm glad I spent my money on this. You know what really tickles my pickle, boys? Reviewing something that you guys asked me to review. Even though I'm gonna come inside, my girlfriend's gonna call me a loser. All my friends are gonna call me a loser. Hey, Bram, what did did you unbox today? This, leave me alone. They always do it too. They always gotta ask. The best part of this, I'm not gonna lie, is the inside. That red really shines nice. That shines really nice. Would I buy it? No. What I would buy is free jewelry. NameBranFam.com. Link is down below. 2 free pieces for the price of 1 shipping. That's all I ask you to do. Pay for the damn packaging. That's it. And for some reason, that's still too much to ask sometimes. NameBran Fam. Link is down below. Don't shop anywhere else. Is our quality good? It could be better, but it's free with shipping. Anyway, final review. It's not bad. It's not bad, boys. I looked at it off camera a little bit. It is what it is. I wouldn't buy it personally, but if you like that look, then maybe. I give it a solid 3.5 out of 10. Taking into prices, stuff like that, 3.5 out of 10. Happy shopping, motherfucker.